Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm going to be showing you how I did this set today. I'm using the Snatched and Blush Gel Polish set, but more importantly these two colors. I start off the set by buffing my nails. I already prepped with nail tips and stuff, but yeah, they're basically just press-ons. I buff it off, wipe off all the dust with a brush and some rubbing alcohol. And then going in with some Beetles Base Gel Foundation. I do this on all of my nails to prep them. And then I make sure to wipe off any gel that got on my skin. I do this every time before I cure anything, whether it's base gel, top gel, gel polish. But I'm going in with the shade Cheeky on all of the nails. This is going to be the base of every single nail. And with contour, I'm using my little eyeliner brush. Guys, I swear I'm gonna get actual nail art brushes soon. But right here, I'm figuring out the center of the nail. I draw like a line. I don't do it too far on the nail. I just kind of do like a little bit. And then from the sides, I drag it in a straight line up to the point of the other line that I drew on the top. And right here, I'm just filling in the rest of the little brown section with the actual brush that's in the polish, just to kind of pack it on. And then I go in with the smaller brush to smooth out the color and like even it all out. I try cleaning up my lines, making them look good, but me being me, I usually mess it up the more that I try fixing it. So I cured it really quick and just went in with more of the cheeky on the sides. And I don't know if you could tell, but the bottom, like near the cuticle, was not really filled in. So I fill that in too, and I fix like whatever else needs to be fixed before I cure again. And I do this on every single finger except for the ring fingers, so I'm not gonna show all of that, just know that it's on every finger except for the ring. Here's them done. I didn't do my thumb yet, I usually do that last, but now I'm putting a second coat of cheeky on my ring finger, and I'm going to basically shape everything out if I messed up the shape by putting too much gel on. And then I buffed the surface of the nail, put rubbing alcohol on it and everything so that the stickers stick better. I'm using this cute gingerbread sticker. I wanted to use it ever since I got these stickers. They're all from a cart. Everything I use is basically from a cart. Some things are from Beetles, but yeah. I use this gingerbread and then I go in with some of the snowflakes. And then I just use a regular top coat on all of the nails. And this is when I go in with my matte top coat. I don't cure this coat and I just put on my rhinestones. You can see I keep picking it up with my finger and like dropping them down. That's just to flip them over. It just makes it easier for me. And if you're wondering why I did 2 top coats, I did the regular one just to like smooth everything out. Here's the matte curing. I love watching matte top coat curing. But yeah, that's basically what I do to all the nails. I put matte top coat on and then I do like different layouts of the rhinestones. If you want to do this set and you don't want to do all these different rhinestone designs, you don't have to. I just wanted like a bunch of random designs on my nails. For the thumb, I'm just kind of like putting them on. I didn't really have that much of a plan for this. I knew that I wanted like rhinestones on the bottom, like around my cuticle, but I also wanted something going up. So in the end, it looks kind of like weird, but the more I kind of like look at it now, it definitely looks like a Christmas tree kind of. That's probably crazy, but it looks like a Christmas tree. I don't know. Or if you go upside down, it looks like an icicle. That's probably just me. And right here you can kind of see what I mean by the Christmas tree icicle thing, but that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give a like or subscribe, whatever you want to do. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time.